This was a computer from the 1990s. Can you imagine a big monitor like that with a floppy disk drive? Yeah, those things are so slow. And this was a time when you had to use a mouse to move the cursor around the screen. There was no such thing as a touch screen back then. You also had to type with a keyboard. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to type on one of these. And if you made a mistake, you couldn't just delete the word. You had to use a special key called the backspace key to erase the word. And if you wanted to undo something you had typed, you had to press the escape key. It was so frustrating. And if you wanted to save your work, you had to press CTRL, and if you forgot to do that, your work would be lost forever. Oh, that's terrible. But at least we had color printers. Yeah, they were expensive, but they were worth it. The colors were so vibrant. Can you imagine a printer that could only print in black and white? It would be so boring.